Here's a doll, here's a star, here's an onion, here's a car, here's an egg, here's a pen, here's an apple, sing again. Here's a watch, here's a hat, here's an ostrich, here's a cat, here's an ant, here's a bee, here's a yo-yo, sing with me.
N or N? Andol or Andol? What do you think? Yes, Andol. A star or N star? What do you think? Yes, a star. Okay, now onion. A onion or an onion? What do you think? Oh, yes, an onion. Okay, car. A car or an car? What do you think? Yeah, a car. Okay, egg. A egg or an egg? What do you think? Okay, yeah, an egg. Now pen. Okay, a pen or an pen? Let's think. What do you think? Oh yes, a pen. Apple, apple. An apple or a apple? Let's see. Okay, what do you think? Yes, an apple. Watch. A watch or an watch? What do you think? Yes, a watch. Okay, hat. Let's think. A hat or an hat? What do you think? Yes, a hat. Ostrich. Ostrich starts with vowel O. Okay, an ostrich or a ostrich? What do you think? Yeah, an ostrich. Okay, cat. Let's think. A cat or an cat? Cat starts with the consonant K. So, what do you think? Yeah, a cat. Ant. Ant starts with the vowel E. Okay. A ant or an ant? What do you think? What? Yes, an ant. Bee. Okay, bee. Bee. A bee or an bee? What do you think? Yes, a bee. Okay, and the last one is yo-yo. It's a very interesting variant. Yo-yo starts with the y. Y, this is consonant. Okay, what do you think? A yo-yo or an yo-yo? Yes, A yo-yo. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.